Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to change theme on your Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web application. For me, I am choosing Google. In the search bar of your Google, type in Qwen AI and you will see this interface popping up. And make sure to log in. You have to tap into the profile icon from the top right corner of your screen. In the pop-up, select Settings. In the setting interface, you can see various options, and in the general column, you can see the option of theme. Here you can change your theme into dark or light. Let's select light. It will appear bright and clear, whereas in dark, it gets darker and suitable for your night usage. And you just have to tap on save. And that's how you change theme in Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.